mbere na kwiyumiria maria tukurehera na njira ndikirwo na cihanda thaa imwe na thaa ithatu ndetagwo Muriuki wa Mucoki twanjiriria no horo wigi uteti. Munini wa President Dagitari William Ruto ni uritie andu ethi mathurima na kinyi atongoria aria othe marugate mena ciiraniro cia gutirira iroto ciao. Ruto augite ati ngwataniro ya Kenya Kwanza igite muharine wa mbere mitatara ya kuhe miturire ya andu ethi wathi mweru na njira ya guthika kana kumathukira kigina gia ciringi bilioni 50 kia ngombo cia thi cia gukuria biashara ciao. Ariti ariciraine ria muthenya wake riria ngwataniro ya Kenya Kwanza ya kumatha kura gitaro-ini kia Rift Valley muthenya wa umuthi akiambika kambi mwena wa Nandi na Pokot ya ithwiro.
Watu wa Nandi Hills, Tameli, nimekuja hapa kuuliza, tafadhali mkubali tubadilishe Kenya hii kwa kuwa na serikali ambayo itajali na itahudumia na itahusisha Wakenya wote. Ndugu zangu watu wa Nandi Hills, mnakubali? Wa Nandi Hills mnakubali? Hebu nione wala anasema kubali, tunakubali. Si ndio? Mimi I want to encourage my competitor. Tafadhali wewe kuja kwa debate, mimi nakungojea kwa debate.
Sisi ni wapenda amani, na kama wakulima tumeingia Kenya Kwanza tukijua ya kwamba bei ya fertilizer itapunguzwa na kwamba bei ya mazao yetu itaenda juu. Tunaamini through agriculture na policy ya Kenya Kwanza hii nchi yetu itaenda kwenda mbele.
Mimi nawauliza kwa heshima, si mnajua nimefanya kazi kule Kiharu, mimi nitashika yeye mkono na nimuonyesha hiyo kazi. Lakini tafadhali msichague mtu ambaye hana heshima kwetu, na watu wa kwetu wanatazama, wanasidwa kwa nini wanasimama na William Ruto, na hawa watu ya hapa wao wanatukana yeye.
Nandi Hills constituency must count in the 13th parliament. Na lazima tukue na askari jeshi wa William Samoei Ruto kwa bunge.
Nake murirukia wa tigiti wa Azimio la Umoja wa Raila Odinga erite atumia a dini ya Uithiramu metikira kurugama na itanya riake ria kuhuranira giturwa gia President Odinga no acemanetie na atwarithia a nduthi a mucii munene wa Nairobi akienda marugame nake nginya kiroto giake gia gutongoria thirikari ya gatano gikinyanire.
Tutaleta mabadiliko. Kuna yale maombi kusema mambo ya juu ya pesa, gharama ya pesa. Wewe unanunua pikipiki milioni 150 nalipa 300. Haya yote itakwisha. Mtapata pesa ambayo bei yake iko chini. Sawa sawa? Ili badala ya kuendesha pikipiki ya watu wengine, wewe unaendesha yako wenyewe. Manake boda is a starting point for the youth, our people. They are starting so that you can be able to make some capital and to transition to something else. You don't want to be living at boda the rest of your life. Sivyo? So we must therefore give our youth opportunity. This opportunity is what we want. And it must be treated with the dignity that it deserves. You are driving a boda not because you are incapable of doing something else. You are providing an essential service at that point in time. But then you move on in life. So you need to have transition opportunities for the youth of our country. So the people riding boda are providing an essential service to society and must be treated with respect.
Kugina kwa kajo ya mbote ya mau nirathimete mutiria wa Raila Odinga kihitahitano-ini gia thingira wa iregi Martha Wangari Karua. Karua ugite ati ni harire gukinyaniria kiroto kia ahoraniri a bara ya wiyathi gia kugitira utonga wa bururi wa Mugikuyu. Igongona riria mwanya ritafaneirio mwena wa Thika na atongoria a kajo ino maugite ati mena mwihoko wa gikiro kia iguru na Martha Karua.
Tarehe 9 mwezi wa 8 ikifika saa 10 ya jioni tutakuwa na kiongozi wa mama. Bwana Karua
rugendo rwitu rurari rwega tugithie na tugicoka kwoguo Ngai wa Kirinyaga atwigue ati atube binya kawira gitu gakathio na mbere no tigucoka naki na thutha na tuthiage tukenete na twina ngwataniro na twina urumwe tondu itaritare ndundu riringagwa na njugu memwe. Mwathani arotutethia aroturathima ni wega ni kirathimo kiu mwambea.
Nake mutirithia wa munini wa president kihitahitani gia thingire mwairigi Rigathi Gachagua ni uriti honge cia thirikari na nginya ang'ethaniri ao matige kwagagia commission ya ithurano na mihaka IEBC. Rigathi aritie ari kaunti-ini ya Nyeri kuria camanĩtie na atongoria a matura ma Kieni aria oritie magathura atongoria aria mari kiama-ini kia UDA kuma president nginya MCA. Rigathi aumagaritio ni speaker wa bunge ya bururi Justin Muturi na gavana wa kaunti ya Nyeri Mutahi Kahiga aria maugite ati gitaro gia gatagati ni kirikiti kuyukia utongoria wa Gachagua.
Na nikio ndoka andu a Kieni ndi mutongoria wanyu ndi mundu wina mugunda kuria mbiriri ndi na mugunda ungi haka kuret ndi na andu Kieni tuyaine twitanaga ng'ania wa ng'ania turore Kieni giki gitu gitikae gutwarwo mung'ethaniro
ni ya kujaribu kuhakikisha kwamba IEBC na Chebukati wamepakwa matope. Baada ikifika wanajaribu kuona kama Chebukati ataondoka, atakubali kujiuzulu. Hii jama walianza 2018 na nikaiona ikaletwa kwangu nikaikataa. I refuse to approve that report.
Ndimwire ndari na munyaka rita riri Rigathi wa Gachagua mwana wa Maubabu hau ugerie
Andu 33 gukinya riu nio makuite kumana na mutino uria urahanikire ruini rwa Nithi hwaini wa ira kuringana na commissioner wa gitaro kia irathiro ria bururi. Ruhonge rwa borithi runyitanire na honge ingi cia uhonokania na honge ici iri mihango-ini ya gwetha andu 5 aria marerikana maya gukorwo mahatite matigari-ini ma mbathi iyo.
And it flew into the river Nithi. The bus had 45 passengers and we have been able to account for 40 passengers, and therefore what we are doing this morning is to continue search and rescue the 5 that we still believe could be trapped below the bus. Now we are processing how to get the vehicle, the bus out of the valley, and to identify those people who have lost their lives. As we also reconcile or find out if there are any other victims, accident victims who were taken to other hospitals that we have not been able to establish, but we have the OCS trying to find out if there could be other passengers who were rushed to private clinics.
Kugena kwa atongoria matiganite na ateti kana atongoria a kanitha ni makomithitie njukaniriro iri ikoretwo ikiyumiria gatagati-ini ga commission ya ithurano na mihaka na ruhonge rwa uthuthuria iguru rigie kuhitukio kwa indo iria kana kuhitukio kwa indo iria ciagiriire kuhuthirwo muthenya wa githurano hamwe na guikio ngono kwa ekwirwo atatu ari merikanite gukorwo mari guku bururi-ini mugaru na watho. Makiarie hinde igongona ria kanitha wa AIPCA mwena wa Mutati atongoria maugite honge ici cieri ifatie kuhimbiria miario niguo kugie na uiguano uria ugutuma kugie na thayu ritwerekeire githurano. Matongoretio ni muthikabu wa kanitha wa AIPCA diocese ya Gatundu atongoria maugite Mukenya oro wothe ari na uigiririki wa kuhimbiria thayu.
ihoya ritu ta kanitha thiini wa bururi wa Kenya ni ihonge icio icieli magie na kahinda ga kwaraniria tondu githurano to guikia kura githurano ni kurugamia bururi uria wi witu githurano gikagwo nigetha andu macokanirire
ni hakwa no nyende kuria andu aria turarugama tukaiga thayo na muno ithuothe twende tukagia na githurano kina uiganiriru kana kiganiriria andu othe na tute kuhinyaniriria na andu aitu onao othe makagia na thayo na ciana citu cia yuthi itikanetekire kuhuthirwo na njira iria itariyo
ithurano ciagirwo ko kahinda-ini gaka ni kwagirwo kwena maundu macio mothe mibango yothe irabangwo ni IBC ni yagirwo korwo eririte tutagirwo korwo tukiona maundu ta maria turona ni uhoro wa kiha muno na IBC ni kundigomiuria ndikeke kana yuge undu ugituma ithurano ici igie na doubt kana ona kugie na undu ukwa twage waragania
Kogena ku Ministry ya Githomo hamwe na unyitanĩri na Commission ya wandĩkani wa arutani nĩ ĩigĩte mĩtaratara ya gũtigĩrĩra kũrĩ na arutani a kũigana cukuru-inĩ cia rũgongo rwa bũrũri. Hamwe na mĩtaratara ĩrĩa ĩigĩtwo nĩ kũgũithio kwa marks iria ibataranagia kũrĩ arutwo kuma rũgongo rwa bũrũri nĩgetha mathomere kothi ya ũrutani ũndũ ũmwe na kũgacĩrithia ũgitĩri macukuru-inĩ mwena ũcio. Mwandĩki mũkaru Ministry-inĩ ya Githomo Simon Nabukwesi no aheanĩte ũhoro ũyũ hĩndĩ ya icera University-inĩ ya Garissa kũrĩa ongereire thirikari ĩrĩ na mũbango wa gũtigĩrĩra arutani arĩa marathomithia rũgongo rwa bũrũri nĩ mathomera kana matathomeire wĩra ũyũ nĩ marĩthomithagio rĩrĩa marĩ rũtha nĩguo makinyanĩrie ikĩro iria ciendekanaga nĩ Ministry ya Githomo na TSC.
That remains a proposal which I will discuss with the Secretary Teacher Service Commission for consideration. In fact, an apprenticeship arrangement will work best in terms of providing an immediate solution where those who are teaching us untrained teachers can over time be upgraded to be permanent and pensionable teachers and upgraded through the normal system of education during the holidays. That way we shall boost the enrollment of teachers in schools, because I'm told there are a number of schools that are seriously understaffed. The signs are good because I'm informed that even the students who are joining this university in September, 60% of them are enrolled in education. So once they graduate, and there are very many opportunities across this region, it will be a straightforward employment opportunity for them.
Right now we have about 390 students who are enrolled in education, and hopefully next year in September we'll have more. Well, we have been going to high schools, we have been talking to stakeholders, we've been talking to the county government so that they can sensitize the community so that students can enroll in teaching profession. Well, I think Dr. Mercy was here from COOPS and she was able to go around and see what we are doing, and we have a police post here, and I'm sure most students are aware of what's going on in Garissa University.
Thaa 10:12 macio nimo matemo maria tuli namo ma ithaa riri mangĩ na njĩra ndikĩru kũmamũkĩra ona cihanda thaa 1 na thaa 3 gatho cia mwanya nĩ gũthiĩ na mbere na kũnyitanĩra na ithuĩ njĩtagwo Mũriũki wa Mũchoki.